Hello guys, this is solving a triangle with the law of sines, problem type 2. For these problems about law of sines and law of cosines, the first thing you have to do is write down the formula of the law of sines and identifying what you're given. For example, in this case, I'm giving side A, I'm giving side D, side C, and I'm given angle A. So remember that we can apply the law of sines when we have so I'm gonna write down in here what I have. I'm gonna substitute the values. A is 59, angle A is 31. I don't have B or angle B, so I'm gonna leave those like that. And C, yeah, it's 70, and angle C, I don't have it. So remember that we can apply the law of sines if we have a complete column. That means that we have both A's, both B's, and both C's, or both C's. In this case, we have both A's. So we're going to apply the law of sines to create a rule of three, because we have these three, so it is a rule of three. Sine of 31 times 70, and then divide by 59. That would be what we don't have. That is, sine of C is going to be, again, sine of 31 times 70 divided by 59. Okay, let me do those calculations in the calculator that I have in here. So, it's like this, sine of 31, I'm missing a parenthesis, 70 and 59 below. Okay, so that means that sine of C equals 0.6110. Okay, then we have to isolate the value of C. So I'm gonna apply inverse sine in both sides of the equation, and I will have this. Then I'm going to put it in the calculator. So inverse sine of 0.6110 equals 37 degrees. Now, here comes the important part for us guys. Each time we apply the inverse sine, two cases appear. So I'm gonna do the first one in here, and I'm gonna do the second one like in here. I hope the space is enough. All right, like this. So two cases appear. The first one is the one that the calculator gives us. So I'm gonna write it here, calculator. The calculator says that inverse sine of 0.6110 is, I'm gonna put that with green, 37.6618. And the other case is going to be 180 minus what the calculator says. So this is, so yeah, just work it like this. Each time you apply an inverse sine, remember that two cases appear, and that's why they give us these options: two solutions, or no solution, or just one solution. Now let's finish working them out. I'm gonna concentrate in the first case, and I'm going to check this one that I have in both cases. So now remember that when we have the three, well, I'm sorry, when we have two of the three angles, we can get the third one really easy, because we just have to subtract from 180 the other two angles, right? That are 31, and the other one that is our case, 37.6618. So angle B equals, let me do that in the calculator. Okay, 180 minus 31 minus 37.6618. Okay, so in this case, angle B equals 111.3382. Okay, then I have this one, right? That's why I suggested that you wrote down the formula for the law of sines so you can check what you have. Now, I'm going to try to erase this. Okay. So now I'm going to concentrate in this part. Well, I'm going to concentrate in this part to apply another rule of three. Now that I have a 3 of 4, then I can use my rule of three. It's going to be these two multiplied and then divided by this. So the final part is going to be side B equals, well, sine of B. I'm gonna write everything down, I think. Okay, I'm gonna leave it like this. Sine of the angle B that I just got times A that was given from the beginning, and that equals 59. And then divide everything by sine of A that was also given from the beginning, sine of 31. Okay, that calculation will give us side B, that is the final part of the first case. So, okay, it is sine of 111.3382, and that times 59 divided by sine of 31. I think I'm missing a parenthesis. Okay, so side B with blue colors, with blue, equals 106.7017. Okay, so that was the first case. The second case is exactly the same, but C is not 37, is what we get from this calculation. So C equals, so this is going to be repetitive, 180 minus 37.6618. So in the other case, C equals 142.3382. All right, then let's do the same thing. B equals 180. The angle B is the subtraction from 180 and the other two angles minus our angle C, 3382. How much is that? Let me put that in the calculator. 180 minus 31 minus 142.3382. Okay, so angle B in the second case equals 4.6618. Okay, and the final part is going to be, I'm gonna move this way, is going to be sine of the angle we just got, sine of 4.6618 times 59 that was given, the value of A, divided by sine of angle A that was also given. Let me put that in the calculator. It is sine of 4.6618, close parenthesis, times 59 divided by sine of 31, close parenthesis. Okay, so B equals 9.3103. Okay, so the first case is all of this, right? I have in here all the values. It is this one, and this one. So that is the first case that I'm going to input in here. C equals 37.6618, rounded up to the nearest tenth. That would be 37.7. B equals 111.3. And side C is 106.7. And we have another solution. Okay, this is getting overlapped with my drawings, but angle C, it is in the second case. I'm going to use a different color. Which one should I use? I'm going to use this one. Angle C is this one, angle B is this one, and well, side B is this one. So, in the other case, angle C is 142.3, rounded up to the nearest tenth. Angle B is 4.7, and side B equals 9.3. I'm gonna check it. Check. Second angle, measure B. Your answer is incorrect. Second side length B. Your answer is incorrect. What did I do wrong? Okay, I don't want to do this again, so I'm gonna try to check what I did wrong. Angle C is correct, so angle B is 180 minus the other two, that is 31 minus angle C, that it says it is correct, so 142. I don't know if I put something wrong in the calculator. 3382 equals 6. I don't know what I wrote 4. This is 6. I know what I did wrong. This is 6. And so this one is also 6. So I'm gonna do the calculation for side C, side B again. It is sine of 6.6618, close parentheses, times 59 divided by sine of 31, close parentheses. Okay, I think I'm gonna have it correct this time. 13.2893. Okay, so these two, this guy over here is going to change. This is not 4, is 6.7. And side B is 13.3. Recheck. Okay, now it is correct. Sorry for that. Sorry for that. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you.